So guys, today we're going to do some little tricks and tips for the Samsung Galaxy phone. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because I give you good content every single week. So stay tuned for my new video when you press the bell button and you will get notifications every time when I post a video. So let's get the video started. So the first trick is actually from the camera. When you go on the camera, usually if you want to go pictures or video, you have to swipe like this, or you have to go to the settings and you press the last setting that you were on. However, it's going to take a long time because when you take a pictures, you're going to take that half seconds to open it up. Now there's a trick. When you go on the camera here, and when you hold and press, there's video and photos. All you have to do is you hold it and basically you put on the top. And then that's it. So basically you just go like this and put it on the top. The video will be right there. And then if you do the same thing for the photos, and it shows like a kind of like a widget. Now when you press that, it will go straight to photos. And if you press video, that video will show. That's a very neat features, right? So not only cameras, but you can actually do any type of widget as well too. When you press gallery, you can actually hold it and put it right there as well too. When you press search, it will go straight to search, just like that. So any type of widget that is on the phone. When I say my girlfriend, I can press this and then go to the next page, and then that's it. I can go straight to text her. That's it. Very simple, right? So let's talk about adding a widget. Adding a widget on Samsung is much easier now. All you have to do is look at your App Store, okay, the app session, not the widget session, and look for the app that has widgets. I hold and press, and there's a widget sign right there. I just need to press the widget, and then I can choose whatever widget I want. And then I can actually hold it and add it on my front page. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay, you don't have to go here, go to the widget, and then search your widget. You don't have to do that anymore. Everything is very simple on the front page already. You can add any widget you want. So here's another trick for you, alright? So let's just say you go on a website, okay? Let's just say we're gonna go on a random website, okay? Whatever, right? We go on a random website, and here's a website. All you have to do is take a screenshot, okay? Now we go straight to gallery, okay? Let's just say this is the gallery, okay? You see right here, there's like this thing called go to website. All you have to do is press that. It will go straight to the website that you just did. That's it. So simple, all right? So let's just say I'm gonna search NHL or NHL, whatever, right? Or NHK, whatever. What is this? I don't even know. And then you go on the website, and then you just take a screenshot, go straight to your gallery. You see this? Go to website. Okay? Every single picture that you took from a website, they will detect, and you can go straight to back to the website wherever you take a picture from, and then that's it. Very, very simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you another trick. Maybe this is gonna be a final one, and I'm gonna do a second part. So let's just say this is a picture, okay? You can actually let the phone to edit the picture for you. All you have to do is go to the three dot, Remaster Picture, and they will analyze the picture, and then they will color for you, or maybe put some exposure and things like that. And they will give you a suggestions before and after, right? So this is the after, this is the before. And basically the phone itself, they basically change the picture for you according to the AI. And that's it. Very, very simple. This is actually pretty new on the Samsung Galaxy phone, maybe from the Note 10 Plus or higher. Alright, so pretty decent when you look at the pictures, and it looks really good. So this is it. This is the top few tricks and tips for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and I will have a second part of the tricks and tips for all your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright, so stay tuned and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.